Hey everybody, it's Brett Hitchcock here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video I'm going to introduce a brand new free training series that I'm doing on affiliate marketing for beginners called The Dirty Truth. Now the reason why I call it The Dirty Truth is because there is a truth that most people won't tell you about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to go through the whole system exactly on how to do affiliate marketing properly and get you going as quickly as possible. So this series is going to be quite a few videos, and all you'll need to do to access it is subscribe. There's going to be a couple of notifications and things that pop up throughout the video. You can subscribe through that, or you can subscribe through the link down below the video. Now before I go any further, I just want to prove to you that I'm actually a successful affiliate marketer, and I'm going to show you some income proof in a little bit, just to you know, throw away any concerns that you might have that I know what I'm talking about here. The other thing I'm going to give you is two of my top selling courses, and they've sold thousands and thousands of copies on Warrior Plus. And those are going to be given to you for free to help you get started online making money very quickly. So they are worth quite a bit, and I've put months and months of work into those two courses, as well as the training videos I'm going to give you over the next few weeks. So without further ado, let me go to my accounts and show you the proof that I've got here, and I'll give you a sneak preview into the courses that I'm giving away, as well as I'll explain a little bit more about what I'm going to be doing in the next few videos. So let me put the video down and I'll show you. So affiliate marketing for beginners, the Dirty Truth series is what I'm doing here. So let's go over to, I use two main affiliate networks to make all my money. That is warriorplus.com and jvzoo.com. I tend to use Warrior Plus a little bit more just because that's where I started, and I just know how hard it is for somebody who's brand new in this industry to get a start, and I want to give you as much information as possible about getting started quickly and what actually goes on and what the real truth is about this industry. So stay tuned, it's going to be fantastic for you. So just looking at Warrior Plus over here, I'll go into my Warrior Plus account. You can see my name up here, Brett Hitchcock. This is my account. And over the last month, I've earned about $10,000, $10,753.29. And that's my earnings for the last month. On JVZoo, it's not as much because I don't use it as much, but it's still decent. $5,789.35. And also on my product launches, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do, I've done a whopping $126,730.50 in launch revenue over the past 12 months. So I do know what I'm talking about. I also have a list in Aweber of over 4,000 people, and that's what I'm going to teach you how to do. Now, the next thing I want to show you is the courses that I'm giving away. The first course is called the Lazy Profit Engine, and this sold about 3,500 copies, I think. So, and it was a fantastic product, still is, and there's a lot of really great information in there. I'm giving you the 2.0 version, which is the newer version of it. So I'll just show you around the members area a little bit. The members area for the Lazy Profit Engine 2.0. And this is where you get access to all the things. And the course, there's a lazy method and an optimal method, which will help you. I prefer you use the optimal method because it does work better. I have some bonuses down here as well. You can probably find the sales page on Warrior Plus if you go to looking for it. Now, the next one is another product that I put out called Reactor. And this is a fantastic free traffic method that really works. Now, with any free traffic method, you'll find that you do have to do some work. So prepare yourself for that, because if you don't want to spend any money or haven't got any money to spend on traffic, you're going to have to do some work to get the traffic. But believe me, with the reactor system, it'll just make things so much easier for you. So with the 2 courses that I'm giving away, plus the Dirty Truth series, you should be absolutely set up and ready to go very quickly. So stay tuned here. Make sure you subscribe to the list so that you get notifications. You won't be able to get access to the Dirty Truth series or the free courses unless you subscribe to the list. The link in the description below. And also, what I want to give you is the exact method I use every day to make money. So stay tuned. I hope you stay with me, and you're going to have a fantastic ride and a fantastic journey here. And I look forward to teaching you as much as I can and helping you out as much as I can. Also, one more thing. You can contact me on Facebook. Just look up Brett Hitchcock 1. I'm a fairly approachable guy, and you can just send me a private message. I'm fairly busy, so if I don't get back to you straight away, don't be concerned. But I am here to help you, and I really want you to reach out to me, become friends, private message me on Facebook, and we can have a little bit of a chat about your business, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned for more videos. They're going to be fantastic, and they're going to be very informative and helpful for you. And I look forward to seeing you on the Dirty Truth series, The Inside. Thank you. Bye for now.